Hey guys, back with another video. Today we will be unboxing this Gemmy 8-foot inflatable polar bear. My neighbor actually gave me this, so that's pretty cool. I know it's at least from 2002 or 03. It says Walmart right there, but there's no date on it. He said it was having trouble last year going up, so it might be completely worn out. I don't know, but let's go ahead and open it up. The box has seen better days. Oh, here's the instructions. This will probably give us a date, I'm sure. No, it does not. But, yeah. Okay. Go ahead and sit those to the side. And there's the heathers. And, yeah, it all seems to be in there, which is great. Has the original spikes. Awesome. Love to see it when they come with the original stuff. Okay, there he is. Ooh. That feels very soft. And that looks... Oh, that's crispy. Okay. Let's go ahead and... Oh, let me look at the plug real quick. It's somewhere on there, isn't it? Yeah, there it is. 2003. May 2003. Okay, now we know how old he is. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box. Has that good old metal base. There's the box. Again, beat up, but still doing its thing. Looks like one of the clips is broken. This normally happens a lot. But, yeah. I actually do like these base fans more than the newer ones. I don't know what it is about them. I think it's just the process of putting them together and the fact that they do get a little bit more air because they're so high off the ground. So, yeah. For those of you that don't know, which seems to be every single eBay listing ever, they never know how to put these things together. They always just throw it together. No, it's not broken. It's just kind of bent out of place. I'll probably just zip tie that on there. So, let's see. Which way is front? Let's find the zipper. And then we'll know. I think this is the front. Yeah. So... put the back in the back. Get the plug. And just kind of pull this over here. Okay, let's see what the fan is looking like. Oh, and here is the thing. Shop at Walmart.com. I'd love to buy this thing online in 2030. That would be a treat. Here's the fan. Normal 03. There's the light bulb. Have the old snap-on covers. Cool. Very cool. This doesn't seem worn out, so that's good. It's not see-through. It's crispy. This side of his back is worn out for some reason. That's weird. I mean, you can see through it, but this side is like crispy. And he did tell me about this. There was a hole in it. This was, like I said, free from my neighbor. Yeah, there he is. Let me get him staked down and then we'll plug him in. Okay, I got it staked down. Now, moment of truth. Seems to be working. All the... Yeah, I don't know why this side is super duper worn out. He smells like a classic. This fabric is really good quality for some reason. Hey, you just listen to that crunch. He is very good everywhere except for that side of his back. Doesn't seem to be affecting him though. Maybe I'll just get some Flex Seal and do that side of his back. Yeah, the light in his face is out, I think. Almost there, okay. That's a weird stain. Okay. Here's his mistletoe up here. It's that squishy little cotton balls wrapped in red fabric. He is leaning forward a little bit, but doesn't really bother me. He doesn't really look that bad. His colors are great. I mean, the way he's made is he can be deflated and, you know, sag forward and still look good. It's the metal tether loops. Yeah, this is weird though. It's just one side of his back that is just completely worn out. And you can see his face. Okay, now all of his lights work. Nice. Super duper weird though how it only wore out right there. Oh, it is a little worn out on this side, so you could tell the sun must have hit there. Everything is so crispy though up here. So, yeah, you see the lights are... He's got a big old fat belly. Oh, his hands are stitched. I didn't know that. Yeah, pretty cool though. I like it. He'll definitely have to be staked down in order to be properly displayed, but other than that, he's doing pretty good. Yeah, if he's staked down, it'll pull him back a little bit because he is hunched over, but super duper cute. I like him a lot. Awesome. Hey, hope you guys like and subscribe, enjoy this video, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to add this guy to my display. Just a little bonus footage here. I just sprayed him with water. You can see him dripping. And I sprayed his back. He inflates really, really tightly now. So, definitely gonna Flex Seal this, and that will make him inflate a hell of a lot better. Because, I mean, now he wants to absolutely burst open. I mean, he looks really good now. But, yeah. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.